Case study: Balancing AI-powered cybersecurity with privacy, a case study of CyberGuard's strategic approach. In a metropolitan city, the cybersecurity firm CyberGuard was at the forefront of using artificial intelligence to combat ever-growing cyber threats. The firm's headquarters buzzed with activity as AI-powered systems monitored vast amounts of data to identify and neutralize potential threats. Among the team were Dr. Emily Chen, a senior data scientist, and Jason Patel, the head of cybersecurity operations. Both were seasoned professionals, but they faced new challenges as their AI systems became more integrated into their daily operations. One particular incident underscored the complexities and privacy concerns tied to AI in cyber defense. It began when an AI-powered intrusion detection system flagged unusual activity on a client's network, a multinational corporation called Global Tech. The AI detected a potential breach and quickly isolated the suspicious activity, preventing what could have been a significant data leak. However, as Emily and Jason dug deeper, they realized the AI had also captured sensitive personal communications, including emails and private messages between employees. This incident raised immediate questions. Should the AI have access to such sensitive data to function effectively? Emily pondered whether the benefits of AI in preventing cyber attacks justified the potential invasion of privacy. Jason added another layer of complexity, questioning how they could ensure the data collected by the AI was stored securely and managed to prevent misuse. The firm's leadership called for a meeting to address these concerns. During the discussion, one question stood out: how could CyberGuard balance the necessity for large datasets with the imperative to protect privacy? Emily proposed adopting a privacy-by-design approach, integrating privacy safeguards from the outset rather than as an afterthought. She recommended techniques such as data anonymization and encryption to protect sensitive information while still allowing their AI systems to function effectively. Another concern was the perception of continuous surveillance. Jason noted that constant monitoring by AI systems could make employees feel like they were perpetually watched, potentially undermining their trust and morale. This led to another critical question: how could CyberGuard ensure transparency in their data collection and usage practices to alleviate these concerns? The team decided to develop clear policies and guidelines to inform individuals and organizations about how their data was being used and the measures in place to protect their privacy. The issue of bias in AI algorithms was also discussed. Emily raised an important question: what if the AI system, trained on biased datasets, unfairly targeted specific demographic groups? This concern was not hypothetical. The AI had previously flagged a disproportionate number of activities from employees in certain departments, raising suspicions of bias. Emily suggested that they regularly audit and diversify their datasets to minimize biases and ensure fair treatment for all users. As they explored these challenges, the team also considered the legal implications of their AI's actions. They had to ask, how could they ensure that their AI systems complied with evolving privacy laws and regulations? They decided to align with frameworks like the General Data Protection Regulation and continually update their practices to keep pace with advancements in AI technology and the evolving threat landscape. The security of the AI systems themselves was another pressing concern. Jason highlighted the risk of cyber attackers targeting their AI to gain access to the sensitive data it processed. This led to a critical question: how could CyberGuard protect their AI systems from becoming targets themselves? The team agreed to implement robust security measures, such as encryption and regular security audits, to safeguard their AI systems and the data they handled. To address the complexity of these issues, the team recognized the need for interdisciplinary collaboration. They involved experts from various fields, including AI, cybersecurity, law, and ethics. This interdisciplinary approach raised a final question: how could different experts work together to develop comprehensive strategies that balance effective cyber defense with privacy protection? By fostering a collaborative environment, they could identify and mitigate potential risks, ensuring that their AI systems were deployed in a manner that respected individuals' rights. In conclusion, The incidents and discussions at CyberGuard highlighted the multifaceted privacy concerns associated with AI in cyber defense. They demonstrated the need for a balanced approach that integrates privacy considerations from the design phase, ensures transparency and accountability, aligns with legal frameworks, and fosters interdisciplinary collaboration. By addressing these questions, CyberGuard could harness the power of AI for cyber defense while safeguarding privacy, navigating the complex interplay between AI, cybersecurity, and privacy.